Nicole as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advents Calendar series. Today is December 24th, Christmas Eve. Here are the ingredients for the banana split truffles. We start with 2 cups of white chocolate chips. Then we will need half a banana, a 1/3 cup of heavy cream, and then we'll have 12 more ounces of white candy coating, or in my case, I'm just using chocolate chips. And then 4 ounces of chocolate candy coating, or here we have a peanut butter and milk chocolate mix. Then we will add some olive oil to that later if needed, if it needs to be a little bit more fluid. Here are the sprinkles. These are the ones we're going to be using. And then we have some red M&Ms to act as the cherry on top of our little banana split truffle. Let's get started. Okay, while we're waiting for the whipped cream to get nice and hot, we smush the banana. The riper the banana is when you start, the easier it is. In our next step, we will melt the chocolate chips a little bit, and then we will mix the chocolate chips, the banana, and the hot whipped cream or hot heavy cream together. Okay, now that we have heated our whipping cream and the chocolate chips are a little bit soft, we will add the banana. And the whipping cream. Ooh, that's hot. That's good, we want it hot. And now, let's mix this well. Once this is all mixed together, we will put it in the fridge to let it cool a little bit so we can form the little balls. And here we are, back with our banana split truffles. They have been in the fridge for a while and I scooped them out on the tray, but as you can see, they're still very, very soft. It might be the banana, maybe I didn't measure stuff just right, but we'll just keep going, because as long as it tastes good, I don't care what it looks like. We melted the white chocolate. This will go over the banana splits now. Well, they're not banana splits yet, but it will get a little blob on each one of those. Then for the next step, we'll put them in the cold again, and then we will add the layer of dark chocolate and finish them off. Okay, almost done. Almost done. I'm trying to hurry so I can get all the chocolate on there before it gets too hard, and I can try to smear it a little bit. Let it run down a little bit more. There we go. That looks gorgeous. And almost done. All right, now they need to be cold again, and then they're coming back for the next layer. Hello, we are back with our next step for the banana split. I have now melted the peanut butter and chocolate chips, but I do want it to be a little bit runnier, so I'm adding just a little bit of olive oil to it. Just to make the chocolate runnier, because I really just want a little bit of a drizzle running down. Alright, let's see if that works. Here they are. Ooh, that bowl is quite hot. Let me just rest it on here for a little bit. Let it run, and just blob it anywhere. You know what? I just realized that I didn't know that I am singing while I'm cooking. New things I'll learn about me while I'm making those videos. La la la. I'm trying to go quite fast because I need this not to get hard until I am done with the next step. Remember, we had sprinkles. What is a banana split without sprinkles? It is nothing. Or at least not quite as fun. And then, oh, this one doesn't have enough sprinkles. I'm sorry. A little bit more. A little bit more. And then, the cherry on top. Ha! Look at that. You know what? Oh, this one melted a little weird in my finger. My finger is hot. There we go. Stick it on there. I have a couple of orange ones because I did not have enough red ones in that package. How dare they not give me more than 10 red ones in a whole package of M&Ms. Well, it was a small package, but still. Oh, get in there. You too. And this one. And the last one. Ta-ta! They are officially done. Now we'll just plate them a little bit nicer for you in a minute. First I'll let this harden and dry a little bit. And then we'll be back on a pretty plate.